Hi everyone, welcome back to the English podcast. I'm Lily, your host.
And I'm Leo. Today we are talking about a big problem, thinking in English instead of translating everything in your head first.
Exactly. A lot of learners think in their own language first, then try to translate, and by the time they're ready to speak, the moment is already gone.
So today we'll show you how to train your brain to think directly in English, just like a native speaker.
Let's start with the big question, why is thinking in English so important?
Because if you always translate first, you'll never speak fluently. Your brain works twice as hard, and sometimes the translation just sounds wrong.
Right, like translating, I am cold, word for word can turn into something like, I have cold, which sounds strange in English.
Thinking in English also builds confidence, the words come faster, so you stop pausing to translate.
It helps your listening too. If your brain already thinks in English, you understand conversations, movies, and music much faster.
And it even improves pronunciation, because you start hearing the words the way native speakers say them.
Now let's talk about the mistakes that stop people from thinking in English.
Mistake 1. Relying too much on translation. It's like never taking off training wheels. Your brain never learns to think in English on its own.
Mistake 2. Worrying too much about grammar. If you stop to check every rule, you'll never speak naturally. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Mistake 3. Being afraid to make mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection.
And mistake 4. Not surrounding yourself with English enough. If your daily life is all in your native language, your brain won't switch over.
So now, how do we actually train the brain to think in English? Let's go step by step.
Step 1. Name things around you in English. Look around and just think the words bed, window, lamp, phone.
Step 2. Talk to yourself in English. While cooking or getting dressed, describe what you are doing, like I'm putting on my shoes.
Step 3. Use an English to English dictionary instead of translating. It keeps your brain thinking only in English.
Step 4. Start with simple sentences. Instead of a long thought, just think I need vegetables. Longer sentences will come naturally later.
Step 5. Build an English inner voice. Have little conversations in your head, like asking yourself, what should I do first today?
And step 6. Surround yourself with English. Listen to podcasts, watch videos, and read in English as much as you can.
Now let's talk about daily habits to make this permanent.
First, start and end your day thinking in English, plan your morning and review your night in English.
Second, set a no translation rule for at least 30 minutes a day. Just think only in English during that time.
Third, talk out loud to yourself in English for a few minutes daily, even if no one's listening.
Fourth, use English while doing simple things like cooking or walking.
And finally, keep an English journal, write your thoughts and goals without worrying about grammar.
Of course, learners face challenges too.
Of course, learners face challenges too.
Another is not knowing a word. Instead of stopping, just describe it simply, like calling a refrigerator a cold box where I keep food.
And the last challenge is losing motivation. The fix is to track your progress, keep a journal or record your voice, and you'll notice improvement over time.
So that's it for today. Thinking in English takes practice, but anyone can learn it.
Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Thanks for listening to Talk Lily. See you in the next episode.
Happy learning, everyone.